Hello, everyone. Oh, today in the video. Uh, isn't that your usual live stream setup? I know. But, anyway, you gotta adjust a bit. Okay. Let's do it. Take me upstairs live. Bit crazy, but a royal pain in my ass. We got a job to do. As you probably have seen by the title and the thumbnail, we are installing a hard drive. It's weird. It's my G4920 board. I forget what function this thing has, to be honest with you. The only thing was a black drive, some motherboard from Gigabyte, a G4920 processor, and 8 gigs of RAM, I think. That's it. I have the Ubuntu installed on it as well, which I gotta find the flash drive, or I can boot from. So good, boys. That's where you started. I haven't done this on in a while. I'm sure this actually works. Just double check that it actually works first. I don't see why I wouldn't, but I tried to set the whole stream name upstairs, and holy shit, it took way too long. So I've been moving this since like 2:30. It's currently 4:07. So yeah, it's taking a bit of time. I'm gonna try to use the monitor. I'm using the monitor of the computer as my monitor to see this. Hopefully the instrument I put on it actually works, because I think I've used it before, but I'm pretty sure I have used the instrument before, but I don't use the EVGA, so hopefully I can get that, especially in the output I'm using. The instrument interviews. My camera link, I always have tried to probably the camera will not cooperate today. Can't get a system out of it, so I have to use the HTC Pro for the camera and the awful AverMedia as our computer monitor. So let's hope this actually works here. Turn the switch on. Power supply. Boot it up. I think the cable hitting the fan. I gotta fix that too. Today. Hey everybody. Go to the AverMedia. And aha, it's booting. Gonna be a full screen projection. My monitor. Connect the USB. I was already booting. Yeah, I should do. Yeah. I had a whole new Steam version for this screen. I'm using some different equipment up here. I don't have a camera set to do a presentation. I got any for you guys. Here was the Pro. Bring that down. And now, okay, Geforce. The 4920 is booting up currently. It's good to see. It's functioning. 49 is correct. It's right here. See how big is the hard drive? How full is the hard drive on here? It's kind of froze up now. I'll just get it put it here. Where is the I put it back into the 4920. You know what I'm doing. I'm in the new picture on the fucking new computer, not the 4920. That's how it won't work. Oh, I'm so delayed. Freaking AirMedia. Come on. Locations. What do you guys of? Oh. Oh. Yep, eventually do it. Stop. Camera, back. And you have an easy bill. Okay, throw one of those. So, and I'm gonna go, oh, come on. What is it doing? Nothing to what is that? Come on. No, turn it off. What the fuck? No, it. Lock it. Piece of shit. Whatever. That's okay. Yeah. Move on from that. And get the fucking out of it. I don't know what I'm doing today, you guys. It's going pretty nice. Oh, and neither am I. Fucking video. Damn. Anyhow. But then I remember that was, you know what? If I want shit off, that's what you gotta do. So. Alright. So you can find the motherboard boxes from here. I say boxes because one's got parts for the case, one has parts for our cables for the board. This is the sound cable. So I found one of those boxes. That sounds terrible for you guys right now. I'm doing noise. But, oh well. Alright. What kind of board this thing for you guys? This is the box for that board. Just try that. The yesterday. And there are no cables in there. Damn it. Oh. That was. Try it all in my unit. Yep. Okay. Because my main build, I just need a fucking solid cable. Solid fucking cable, I think. There's no fucking SATA cables in here. Oh, come on. Nope. There are no fucking SATA cables in here. That's fun. I'm there, I guess. Alright. Ready out of here, though? It is the hard drive caddy. That's what I need. Bag of screws, too. Alright. Are you guys getting a signal for this? Yes, it is. Or am I going to? I gotta find the damn mouse again. This is turning to shit. Oh, like that, just fuck it. Alright. First off, I'm gonna take a rag that I brought here. Wipe off the dust from the thing. I know it's a bit dusty on top. On the sides as well. I also want to check the. Get another mat. Phone over. Alright. Pull the dust filter out. Alright, drop them together. I get better when I get the other one. I mean, get it as well. But no matter. Do that. The front as well. Just now the on the floor, aren't you? Alright. Now the inside of the case. And no set of cables. Fun. I don't see any cables hitting the fan. That one could be, but I didn't tell a bit. The reason this is a fuck. The test is set of cable. Alright. What's causing that noise then? I need that cable. Have more. Wait, do you have more? Up here. Let's cut the output. So cutters, SATA cable, and Sony. I don't know if this way can get this. Yeah. Let's get any screws in this hardware first. So then, this is gonna have screws. Okay. I don't know how the screws. So maybe the release case. I don't know. So undo the drivers. I do not have a knife. I don't need any cards to get detail. So, just do it and see. Alright. Now let's see. Hey, screw buttons on here. I just use the right bit first. See, slide it. Alright. That's what it. Not fit. In that case. This should be the RAM. Let's do the same. Alright. By the way. That one feels good because it's same kind as that one. It's the same. And more like those two. This is the one I found. Now you know what? Ooh, that could be really bad. Okay, wait. Alright. This one should do the trick. That's actually what you order to these out. And zip ties and cutters. Alright. I'll be back. Okay. Well, that's what you guys do. Cause I tried to talk to my mom a minute, so I don't forget what I needed. I was like, yeah. Are you fucking kidding me? That light is dead already. This is going great. Oh, not done with this. Fucking power cables. You just charged in the disc tray. God damn it. Okay, let's go see me. Cut the screen and see. Yep, you are. Hold on, let's quick. And then I'll, it'll work. Let's see. There's a. Just throw it for fuck it. Good one. Process in the house first. Oh. I don't know, fuck it. There is more. But they really still count this because, Alright. Turn. On. Back in business. We are back in business. Alright. So now I'm going to the hard drive in place under the bracket. I'll go ahead and get my computer. Just pull that real quick. I need to charge it. And the city there is dying. Yeah. You guys have these rubber grommets, and then I think there's longer screws to use. I don't have the longer. I assume there's longer screws you're supposed to use. Put them through. I don't have the longer screws, so I'm gonna do some drones. The king has 30 minutes SD card left. And the backup for this stream. That SD card was to run out, so I stopped for a minute. I'm like, yeah, fuck it. Then have power coupled. Alright, cool. So now, and the driving. So, especially the mountain thing. This bracket's so fucking weird. But, alright, watch that keyboard. I'll fuck this screen up really quick. Not the messages, but you know what? Oh well. This just kind of sucks, so I gotta deal with. I'm going to take it all away. Oh, I think it. It hasn't. That one doesn't work. Alright. That going. Cool. Take that out of the way. Down with the screw. There's some dust. None of it. in here. Not a whole lot, honestly. It's red. Anyhow, I would give shit, you know, see. Anyways, there. You guys can do. But anyhow, there's zooming on the case here. Whoops. Alright. So, you take the knife and cut that out. Well, that's not gonna reach, I don't think. We need another cable. That'll do. Maybe not actually. If I did something different in here. I ran out like that. I'll put this on top here. Away from that one. Supposed to go between those. Alright. Then had that guy plug in here. That sticks out a lot though. I did that here. Alright, cool. Alright. That was a dumb moving. Cutting all that. Oh, I bet more time, so big deal. Oh shit. Yeah. That's not about to run on the cable. Alright. This is. I think we'll bring up a solid cable. Correct? Put that in there. Now underneath the page. Up next to the support control cable and the other cell. Alright. I think it's good the way it is. I'm gonna just take that cable up there though. Like we was hitting the pin, that's the CPU power cable. Oh. And why is this one like that? That pin on this is bad too, maybe it's caused that noise. I don't know. Alright. There's the drive installed. And about half hour. Jeez. I did bring it in the cable up here. See the pass through the AV. So I have a live feed of the computer, not a delayed feed. Cause that's just annoying trying to deal with. I don't know if I'm at the right drive. If I'm at the wrong drive, I'm gonna be very pissed off. I don't think I'm really through and it's really pissed off. Okay. So, put my monitor behind the camera, by the way. Okay. So now plugging the USB boot drive. The back. But off. Plugging the HDMI. And the IEC cable. So now I'll swap over to the AMD side of things. Oops. The explosive on the last thing itself is gonna do it, right? I'm gonna give you my monitor. I'll put this in the notebook so you can see how they're on. Oh, what? Okay. So I've seen that. I've turned on the computer. Yeah, that's the back thing. Causing that noise. It's the one. Yeah. What is on that? Oh, damn, man. You got out and fun. I'm gonna do that with my monitor. Change the back because it didn't get sound on. Change that up. Okay. I'm done like shit. So let's talk about the results fans then. Okay. So now I have a live video like last time, but I need to do this correctly. This video, which is not sharper by any means. Yeah, format that drive. So, disk, yes, to hard drive. Uh, format, yes, video, fuck, archive, um, until not actually, next, format, and password. Okay, so, oops, okay, folder, what, view, archive, already, we don't share this folder, add this, others, yes, create, okay, yeah, that up there, let's see if I can get access to it on my computer. in here. Out of here. See, out of back in. And display capture. New. Once we're fine. Fuck yeah. Alright, how to get to the question? Right. Oh, right. There's a network on my computer. Forgot about that. Yeah, right. So that's gonna work. Okay. Well, I got a question for you guys. I don't have the network connected to this computer. I can't do anything about that right now. Got that input. So, I will, I am going to edit this later. I'll put it as an actual video if you guys see. I'll add an intro and outro together, saying how it goes. Just start off this time, probably. I'm gonna be a pain in my ass. Why would I not do it before? That's so weird. Whatever, anyhow. Alright, and then my name here. Let's see this one. Shut off now. Just fine. So, yeah. Trying to talk about it for 10 hours getting all this done. Between actually setting up the stream, doing the stream, and now I have myself here. Oh, joys. Okay. So, that installed. Never up here to plug into here. I have the one from my main computer. And you bring a switch and all that, just don't feel like doing it. I've had enough shit for one day. So, yeah. Anyhow, I hope you all enjoyed this little kind of upgrade stream. And yeah, if you're watching it on YouTube in the video, and the non-live version, you'll see after this. We'll talk about how it goes and how you buy it downstairs. For watching you folks though, if you're watching this, let's be honest, 0 of you. I hope you all enjoyed listening, guys. Take it easy. Alright. After a couple hours of work, just getting the live stream set up, because my first time doing it upstairs, my Acer room, we are done with that upgrade. I took a very simple upgrade and overcomplicated it by doing the stream upstairs. I could have just recorded it, I did not put it that way, but I wanted to do it upstairs to go outside for last year. Just to get everything time to do it. And it was a horrible idea. If you want to see that, train wreck trying to set that up, check the video, I'll post it on sometime as this, where I set the stream upstairs. And again, there was 2 problems on the way. Each time I saw during the stream with every video, having to use that instead of the Camlink because the Camlink was being a piece of shit. I had this on the H60 Pro to where it was delay, and the delay went into the 4920 build, which caused a bit of a problem. Oh well. So yeah. The hard drive does work as a carry fast over the network. With regards to ease, Ubuntu is not as good as OS for sure. I found a new OS I'm gonna put on the 4920 build probably next year. I'll come back in a minute. I found a much better OS called Open Media Vault. It's much more capable than just being a NAS, but it's me. It has the ability to share forward over the network. So I'm gonna put that on there instead, and we'll have that as its OS, rather than Ubuntu. But yeah, that hard drive is installed, works just fine. Got all my previously recorded videos to my video archive backup. If YouTube ever deletes my videos or goes dead, which it's time already, I have a backup copy of all my videos already. And in some cases, a much better quality than what YouTube has, because of compression. Where does the 420 build goes at the upgrades plan? One is putting open media vault onto it, a better OS. Two, that rare case that has to go. That thing sounds terrible. One of my plans for Christmas is to get another fan for that meter and replace that. When I do the fan, I'll do the OS install as well. I might unplug the other two hard drives before I install it. Something was done accidentally. So I'd rather have it, I'll put it all at once, do it all at once, since it can wait a while and do it that way. I may be putting an SSD in there too. It's a small 32 gig SSD, depending on how things work out. I use one of these 2.5 inch Behringer I got not too long ago. I go from mount that, I don't know. I can mount that straight into that actually without using these, I think. This way the trays are built, that's cool. I don't even need those. I like that. So me putting SSD in there soon, so you can flash drive, putting open media vault on the front of my board, and pressing the rear fan. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy this upgrade video, and as always, I don't know which one it is. That's not my actual house, I'm just thinking something about that. Anyhow, hope you all enjoy. Thanks for you guys. Take it easy.